Do you often find it hard to pay attention? Are your thoughts racing, jumping from one idea to another like a ricocheting pinball? Do you find yourself losing track of time, forgetting appointments, or misplacing your glasses more often than not? If so, you might be dealing with something more than just occasional forgetfulness or distraction. You may be experiencing symptoms of adult attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, more commonly known as adult ADHD. For many, the term ADHD conjures images of hyperactive children bouncing off the walls. But ADHD is not just a childhood disorder. It's a neurodevelopmental condition that can persist into adulthood, affecting as many as 5% of adults worldwide. Adult ADHD symptoms can be subtle and often mistaken for stress, anxiety, or the normal aging process. They can include persistent forgetfulness, difficulty focusing, impulsivity, restlessness, and even emotional volatility. Imagine this. You're reading a book, but instead of absorbing the words, your mind is buzzing with thoughts about a conversation you had earlier, the groceries you need to buy, or a work project you're struggling with. You might read the same page over and over again without retaining a single word. That's what it can feel like to have adult ADHD. Or consider this. You're in a meeting at work, and despite your best efforts to focus, you find your mind wandering, unable to stay on track. You might even blurt out an idea before it's fully formed, causing you to feel embarrassed or misunderstood. That's the impulsivity that can come with adult ADHD. And then there's the forgetfulness. You put your keys down and can't remember where. You miss appointments because they slip your mind. Bills pile up, not because you can't afford to pay them, but because you forget to. That's the chronic disorganization that characterizes adult ADHD. But remember, everyone forgets things from time to time, and everyone has moments of distraction. The key difference with adult ADHD is the consistent pattern of these behaviors and the significant impact they have on your daily life and relationships. Now, let's recap what we've discussed. Adult ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects approximately 5% of adults. It's characterized by persistent forgetfulness, difficulty focusing, impulsivity, restlessness, and emotional volatility. These symptoms can significantly impact your daily life and relationships, and they're consistent, not occasional. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself, don't despair. Adult ADHD is manageable with the right support and treatment, which can include medication, therapy, and lifestyle modifications. The first step is recognizing the signs and seeking help. So, if your mind feels like a buzzing beehive, if you're constantly losing track of time, or if you find it hard to focus, you might have adult ADHD. It's not just a quirk or a character flaw. It's a real diagnosable condition, and there's help available. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional if you think you might have adult ADHD. Your journey towards understanding and managing your symptoms can start today.